going on, guys? It is TJ back again with another video, and we are going to be going over the top 5 investments that you guys should be making as the NFL season and NBA season are vastly approaching. So if you guys are new, please consider subscribing. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Like the video, comment below what you are currently investing in, and looking forward to talking more about those. So guys, first things first, the first player on our list, these people are in no particular order, by the way. First person, I'm gonna say this, I think that you guys should absolutely be investing in Patrick Mahomes, just because it's Patrick Mahomes. He always has a chance to win the Super Bowl. I know right now people are a little hesitant because his defense is struggling a little bit and lost Tyreek Hill, but I think that is going to provide a lot of clarity for him in terms of really taking over that team even more, and a little chip on his shoulder. So right now I'm currently grabbing up a ton of raw higher end Patrick Mahomes, and I'm going to be sending them into grade to SGC. Then I'll sell them off when it is the right time during the season. Can't go wrong with Patrick Mahomes. Obviously a huge buy right now, and his higher end cards in the first, really in the second year, some in the third year too, are really there for the taking. And those rare inserts and parallels in like Panini Select and Panini Prism. Second person on the list, I think, is Aaron Rodgers. Right now his first and second year higher end selects are extremely low right now. I was actually really surprised. I know everyone's kind of doubting him because of Devontae Adams leaving. Me personally, I'm a huge Packers fan. I am hesitant on investing in him, but I kind of had a conversation with myself, and the reason why is because I think that Packers team this year has a way different mentality than last year. I think they, are honestly sick and tired of losing in the NFC Championship game. And I also think that they're going to have another chip on their shoulder because everyone is counting them out. I have them getting into the NFC Championship game against Tom Brady, and I think that's going to be a huge matchup in the Conference Championship game. Third person on my list is Tom Brady. Obviously, he's coming back. He's the greatest of all time. I think this year will really be his last year. So right now you should really be stocking up on those, earlier end cards if you can. Get them raw, get them graded. And if you can't obviously afford it and you just want to buy the card as is, I would focus on getting PSA 9s and 10s. There are some bases of him in kind of the earlier on Select era and Prism era that are worth the money in a PSA 10. But obviously you want to go for those rare inserts and parallels, lower population cards. And I think, his entire stock of cards are going to go up, even the base cards of his. So now going into some NBA players. Right now, I think that you guys should obviously be getting, Steph Curry cards. I said this before, he's going to have another incredible year, and obviously he's the greatest three-point shooter of all time, and I think him winning this past year and getting that finals MVP under his belt really solidified that. I think his stock is only going to continue to go up, so he's always a power play when you are obviously investing in your basketball players. So now kind of more deeper down in the basketball realm, I think a lot of y'all are going to probably go against me on this one, but Zion I think is going to be an absolute huge play this year. I think he's going to absolutely dominate the league, and I think he's actually going to be able to play a full season. So I love Zion. I think he's going to be an amazing talent and really be an amazing kind of stat keeper, just like Russell Westbrook is. I think he will win a couple of championships in his career because I think he will get on the right team and really if he can not stay injured and keep his weight in check, I think it's going to be a great play. So I'm picking up a lot of those cards as well. Now, I think you guys really should be staying away from these overly hyped cards. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Probably going to get a lot of flack. I don't care. Trevor Lawrence, horrible decision if you guys are investing in him. He's all hype, no resume in the background, absolutely none. Zach Wilson, rather, that is. Horrible decision investing in Zach Wilson. I think that he's a bust as well. He's on the Jets. They're horrible. Even if they got, a bunch of players this year, I just think it is not a good play. So just avoid at all costs. Now going into some kind of other picks, I think running back position, Saquon Barkley, I think is going to be back better than ever. I think he's going to have an amazing year. Even though Daniel Jones is atrocious, New York Giants are not good. I think he will have a stat-packed year, similar to a almost prime Adrian Peterson. He has moves like Barry Sanders and all those guys. I think he's going to be elusive. He's looking really, really good in training camp right now. So I think you guys should absolutely be looking to get his cards. Another notable mention, Odell Beckham Jr. right now. I think once he finds a team, he's going to provide an immediate lift. He still has a lot of years under his belt, and I think once he returns to kind of that starter form and gets back to how he was. Right now, you can get autos for Saquon and Odell for nothing. PSA 10s, I'm seeing Topps Chrome X-Fractors for Odell at $100. PSA 10s, Saquon, same thing. PSA 10 rare inserts, serial numbered cards. I mean, these are the cards that you guys want to get, especially if you guys have a middle end budget. I know you guys see all the hype on, oh man, I need an RPA, I need this, I need that, I need this. You don't need to be buying up RPAs and autos of these crazy high-end rare cards. If you focus on just the ground floor and worry about getting these cards either raw or already in PSA 10 condition, you have a lot of buying and trading power if you're able to do this. 2, you can provide immediate cash flow once you get these cards back from grading and flipping, and you're able to keep money circulating throughout your brand and business, especially in your eBay sales, and if you're in card shows as well. That a lot of my guys that are out here doing it real big, and also the medium end guys that are growing and scaling, that's what they're doing. They're focusing on cards that no one's talking about, of these really prime time players, and they are grading them, flipping them, or trading them up for higher end cards, just to be able to boost their portfolio. So right now, that is really what I'm focusing on. I think that, even Josh Allen with the Bills, I think he has a lot of potential to do really well this year. He's a more modern card, but I do like his grit, his play style. You guys saw what he did against the Chiefs in the playoffs. Even though they lost, he still, had an immaculate performance. Absolutely amazing. And I feel like another couple of more notable mentions, we don't talk about defense and stuff like that as much. With football, it's not really the focus, it's more quarterback central. So like I said, focus on those QBs. I also know that, a lot of people are overhyping these modern QBs way too much. If you are a beginner and watching this video, focus on the Hall of Famers. Peyton Manning, Tom Brady, Drew Brees, even Aaron Rodgers will be in the Hall of Fame. Those are quarterbacks that you guys can get on the low right now. Not as much Tom Brady, but some of his cards you can, but like Peyton Manning autos, Aaron Rodgers, really rare inserts and parallels. Even Tom Brady. I just picked up a black refractor, Topps Chrome, I think it was 2006, that I'll be getting graded as well. It'll probably come back, a 9 or a 9.5, and that's gonna be a huge boost. But all right, guys, these are kind of my players that I'm really honing in on and focusing on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a like, give me a subscribe. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, like I said, and comment below what you're investing in. I'm really interested. And then that's my other dog to close this out. So hope you guys have a great day. This is TJ with Gold Label Sports.